Ayan, mga punong abala. Cookie. Coffee. Seryoso. Seryoso sa bacon, baka masunog.
Nasunog ko yung hotdog eh.
Sarap na yung kanin. Mais. Okay. Wait, this one ang hotdog. Hi, Arkin.
Hi, Tita! Hi, Tita!
How do you like your first swim? You like swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yesterday, Arkin was saying when he left, Arkin was saying that
Did you swim
that
with the
that he that he loves you except Daddy.
Me? Breakfast na! Hindi, dala natin yan. Basmati, para sa mga diabetic, pre-diabetic. Kain na! Mga kids. Hello! Hello! What are you gonna eat, little girl? Ano kinakain po niya? Kanin na rin, di ba?
Kanin na rin.
Oh. Paano yan? Basmati yung kanin. Ayan. Tapos na mag-swimming at to be continued yung swimming ng mga bata. Oh. Ayan. Second day sa Tamarindo. What's up, what's up? Hi. Hi, good morning. Eh. gusto mo maging model ng pandesal?